HVAC system starts from knowing about the requirements of the building, whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial. It depends a lot on the occupation of the building, the size, the insulation, as well as the purpose of the use. However, you do want to pay attention on the right sizing of your equipment, as that has significant impacts on both the performance and efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, you want to focus on highly energy efficient systems. That has impact on both the operating costs as well as the sustainability targets of those buildings. Technology such as variable speed motors, smart thermostat, and so forth will help you on those energy efficiency targets. Lastly, you want to really think about not just the project cost, but also the total cost of ownership, meaning the lifetime cost of your system. There are important components to that, one which is your full energy consumption from those high efficiency systems, but also the reliability of the equipment, as well as the maintenance need. All of those contribute to the overall lifetime costs of your HVAC systems.